Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for $250 monthly income. To begin with, the main goal is simple. We want to understand how much money needs to be invested in dividend-paying assets to create around $250 every month in dividend income. This is a useful calculation for anyone who wants to estimate a future passive income target in a clear and beginner-friendly way. First, set your monthly dividend income goal. In this example, the target is $250 per month. This means you are aiming to receive $250 each month from dividends, without depending only on selling investments. Next, convert the monthly income goal into annual income. Since there are 12 months in a year, we multiply $250 by 12. So, $250 multiplied by 12 equals $3,000 per year. This means your investment portfolio needs to generate $3,000 in dividends every year to reach the $250 monthly income goal. After that, use the dividend yield formula. The basic formula is target portfolio value equals annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. In this case, the annual dividend income is $3,000. So, we divide $3,000 by the dividend yield to estimate how much investment capital may be required. For example, if the dividend yield is 3%, the required portfolio is about $100,000. This is because $3,000 divided by 0.03 equals $100,000. Similarly, if the dividend yield is 4%, the required portfolio is about $75,000. If the yield is 5%, the required portfolio is about $60,000. And if the yield is 6%, the required portfolio is about $50,000. Now, the important idea is that a higher dividend yield usually means less capital is needed to reach the same income goal. However, it is also important to remember that a very high yield can sometimes come with higher risk. On the other hand, lower yield investments may require more capital, but they can sometimes be linked with more stable companies. Therefore, the target amount depends on both your income needs and your risk tolerance. If you prefer a more conservative approach, you may focus on stable dividend-paying companies and accept a lower yield. But if you are comfortable with more risk, you may look at higher yield opportunities while still doing proper research. In summary, to earn $250 per month in dividends, you need about $50,000 to $100,000 invested, depending on the dividend yield. The higher the yield, the lower the required investment amount. The lower the yield, the higher the investment amount needed. Finally, remember that these examples are only for illustration. They do not include taxes, dividend cuts, market changes, or share price movements. So always use this calculation as a basic guide, not as guaranteed financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.